I've been on top for a while. Now it's time to chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to another video. If you are new, hello, I'm Sugar. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the bell. And today we're going to be doing another wig review. This wig review is going to be for Luvme hair. We're going to jump right into this. As you can see, I already have on my ball cap. I have not started the process. I've just cut my ears out. And I'm going to be going in with my foundation brush. And I think I want to use the Fit Me in 355 Coconut today. I've been using my 3D contour palette. It's like a contouring cream palette, but I think I want to use the Fit Me today. I'm just gonna go all over that cap where I know it's going to be seen. This is going to be a 13 by 4, so I want to do a good section here in the front. Okay, so I have that good and covered, and now I'm going to use the Got To Be to go ahead and put my cap down. I usually go in with my Ghost Bond, but we're going to do this today instead. So now that I have my ball cap on, this is the wig we're going to be doing. It is a Yaki straight 18-inch 13 by 4 wig. Okay, it has 3 combs in the top, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also comes with the glueless band that you can put in and take out, which I really love. So this is what it's looking like. Super duper natural. I'm really excited to install this one. I did bleach the knots. I did not pluck anything. I just really wanted this one, like I said, to come off very natural. So I just wanted those knots to disappear. So I did go ahead and bleach those. So yeah, let's get into further prepping this wig. I'm just gonna go in with the Eben tinted lace spray in medium brown. Just spray the lace really good, the entire thing, like even past the hairline. It just really helps in the end. So no matter what lace you leave behind, it's still good. Okay, so that's pretty much it for prepping. So yeah. Just look at that. I did not pluck this wig. It comes pre-plucked. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my ear tabs real quick. Okay ladies, so this wig is really amazing. Like, it is so lightweight, so natural. It's really flat to my head. It's just really giving that natural clean girl look that everybody's going for right now. It feels like the hair that grows out of my head after I straighten it. Pre-plucked so beautifully. The texture is everything. They're also having a Black Friday sale. They're giving away gifts. They're having like buy one get one free. If you're looking for a really nice quality piece to add to your collection, or like I said, just an everyday wig, please go check them out while they're doing this little event. It could really help you out. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell. Make sure all your notifications are on. And that is it, you guys. Stay safe. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. And until next time, stay sweet.